Has it ever happened to you that you replied to someone's message immediately, but even after hours that person is online and still ignores you? You feel that you are giving them importance, but in reality, you are killing your self-respect. I used to do exactly the same. My best friend, for whom I was available all the time, started taking me for granted. I would fight, I would complain, but in reply I would only get one thing: "You are overthinking." But then, I didn't leave him. Instead, I did with him exactly what he was doing to me. When he messaged me on Monday at 6 p.m., I saw it but replied exactly the next day at 6 p.m. He kept checking why I didn't reply. And then whenever he would message me, I started replying after 1 or 2 hours. It was very difficult for me to stop my hand from messaging. Anyway, any trick or habit does take time to learn, but my this time didn't go to waste. Today he replies to me on time, and I don't just apply this on him. I remember that pain, and I don't want anyone to take me for granted again, so I apply this on everyone. Because now, I have started loving myself. Our own self is the most important, but we make ourselves so available that people start considering us their dependent. Today I am going to tell you those 4 psychological tricks that I applied on that friend of mine, and he became a decent human being. But beware, don't misuse them to harm any innocent, because I know how much it hurts when you give someone importance, and in return, you are just ignored. My favorite tricks are the second and third, with the use of which people will go crazy for a glimpse of you, for a single word of yours. So use both of these tricks for good. Listen to them carefully. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel right now. So, let's begin. Number 1. The shadow withdrawal. When someone starts taking you for granted, don't argue with them. Arguing means that you are still dependent on their attention. Instead, disappear suddenly. Don't reply to their calls immediately, and stop showing them that glow in front of them that they liked. Arguing is a sign of your weakness, because it proves that their behavior is affecting you. The moment you leave the argument and disappear, you snatch control from them. When you completely pull yourself away, the other person's mind gets hit by fear of losses. They feel that the thing which was always in their fist is now going out of their reach. They come into panic mode to get your attention back, and that is the moment when your side becomes heavier. This is not revenge. This is the restoration of your lost rare status. Number 2. The mirror effect. This is my favorite trick. This trick proved to be the most effective in my personal life. Most people ignore you because they are sure that you will always be there for them. The mirror effect shows them a mirror of their own actions. Treat people exactly the same way as they treat you. If they are ignoring you, then you also ignore them. If they reply to you late, then don't lower your value by replying immediately. Take the same gap that they took, or a little more. This is not revenge. This is a psychological mirror that you are placing in front of them. When they see that you are copying their behavior, they will get confused. They will realize that you are not dependent on them anymore, but you are the judge of their behavior. This silent war will force them to make up for their mistake and start giving you importance again. Number 3. The power of social proof. This is a very dangerous trick that works the most. This psychological tactic is called the law of perceived high value, or social competition. Let's understand it in depth, how important it is for your goal, and how to use it. It is called the theory of abundance. When you show someone, or actually do it, that you are not short of people, then you create that fear in the other person's mind, that if I don't value him, someone else will take his place. This strengthens a person's position. When you show that there are many other options besides you, then you automatically become a challenging personality for him instead of a common friend. This is the most used term. It means that when the other person feels that the rest of the world is behind you, or many people are seeking your attention, then your value suddenly increases in his eyes. He is forced to think, if so many people are behind him, then there must be something special in him. So he gets scared that if he doesn't value you now, he will lose you forever. He will not be your only priority. This doesn't mean that you lie, but just prove that you are not dependent on any one person. When he feels that to get your attention, he will also have to make an effort, then he himself will run after you. Remember, people never leave those things for which they have to work hard. Create such an atmosphere in your life where your presence feels like a reward, not a right. Number 4. The mystery of silence. The human brain is crazy for incomplete stories. The day you opened the book of your life and placed it in front of them, that same day, your interest ended. You have to become a puzzle. Stop expressing your successes, failures, and emotions. Stop talking about your life. People chase you until they don't fully understand you. Make your life, your plans, and your feelings a secret. When you speak less, then every word of yours carries weight. When they ask you something, instead of giving a complete answer, just give a slight smile or end the conversation in short words. Your silence will create thousands of questions in their mind. They will think about you all the time. What is this person hiding? And the human brain is always restless to find answers to those questions. This very restlessness will make them crazy for you. If you have really learned something, then share this video with that friend of yours who is making himself cheap for someone. And yes, if you want to increase your psychological power, then stay connected with this channel, because in the next video, we will unveil even more dangerous truths. See you in the next video.